Hello, hi, how are you doing? This is SBECGH. Oh, all BEC candidates in Ghana who are actually waiting to write a BEC. I believe things are tough for you. I don't know how you're feeling, but I'm certain that you are a little nervous. Whatever the case, stay tuned, okay? We are with you. This particular week, I'm gonna do my best to give you all the likely, more questions that you need to pay attention to that will certainly or might come in your PEC. You see, I'm gonna give you all the answers to the questions too. So I'll be starting with black mock mathematics. So let's start with the section A, okay? Number one, this question, you can go through the question. I want to speed up a little so that we can solve more questions, okay? So number one, the answer is C. Okay. Number two, look at the question very well. The answer is A. Number three, look at the question well. The answer two is B. Number four, look at the question very well. Number four, the answer is A. Number five, look at the question well. The answer is D. Number six, the answer is 24. Number seven, the answer is B. Number eight, the answer is A. Number nine, the answer is B. In a class of 24 pupils, 10 study French only and 8 study English only. If each pupil studies at least one of the two subjects, how many study English? And the answer is 14, so we can check that. Now, number 10, write 3,560 in standard form, which equals to 3.56 times 10 raised to the power 3. So that is the answer. Number 11, factorize completely b2 p raised to the power 2 plus fb minus mb minus fm. The answer is certainly B, right? Is the answer. Now the next one, number 12, the answer is D. The triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Find the length of AC. So use this one to perform the answer. I believe you can remember something like we taught in the classroom. So this one to start. Number 13, find the highest common factor of 3 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the power 2 times 5 raised to the power 4. 13, the answer is A. 13, the answer is A. 14, Mrs. Obin bought 1 kilogram of rice. She used 3/4 of the rice. Now, how much does she have left in the bag? 14, look at the question well. The answer is A. Now let's go to 15. Look at the question very well. The answer is D. 16, look at the question very well. The answer is C. 17, look at the question very well. Kofi weighs 30.6 kg. His father weighs 4 times as heavy as his son. What is the total weight of Kofi and his father? 17. Look at the question word. Answer is what? D, right? Now let's go to 18. If each of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 135 degrees, how many sides has the polygon? Look at the question very well, and the answer is C, 8. Question 19. Look at the chart, the figure that we have, and use it to answer the question. 19, the answer is D, 110. Now 20, you said find angle A from this, right? So A, find angle A. 20, the answer will be what? B. Sorry. 21, the answer is A. This one. 22, the answer is B. Sorry, 22 is this one. The answer is B. 23, the answer is D. Find the equation of a line which passes through point A to bracket 2 is to 3 with the gradient 3 the answer. Well, if you do it, you get D, right? Now 24, the answer is A. Find the image of 3 under the mapping. The answer is 34. The answer is A. 25 to the answer is A. Look at the question very well. 26, the answer is D. Write the vector this using the Cartesian component. Look at the answer. The answer is D. Take note, please. 27, the answer is C. Given that A, this, and B, how many letters are in A intersection B? 27, the answer is C, 0. Don't have some. Now 28, the answer is B. Look at the question. Nanaya rides her bicycle to school and back every day. The distance from her home to school is 2,340 miles. Then how many kilometers does she cover every day? So we're going to convert it from this to that. That's so. 28, the answer is B. Let's go to 29. The question very well. The answer is D. 30. The answer is C. 31. Look at the question very well. 31. The answer is A. 32. The answer is D. 33. The answer is B. Find the value of this. It equates to this. It equals to that. So you can check that. I hope you are taking note of the answer. Don't worry. I'm going to leave the answers in the description below so you can check it out, right? But what I want you to take note is look at the question. Okay, 34. The answer is B. Okay, let's go to 35. The answer is C. 35, the answer is C. 36. Look at the question very well. The answer is A. 37. The answer is C. 38. The answer is A. We're almost done. And 39. The answer is C. This one. Find the total cost of 25 pens and 75 books. If each pen costs 0.20 and each book also costs 0.30, what's going to be the the total cost for 25 pence? So you can add, you do the calculation and you do the multiplication here. And the last one, which is 40, the answer is what? D. Good. Do you all believe that your time is limited? So looking at the answers will certainly guide you. That is why I'm providing you all the answers. So that is that. Now let's go to section B and wrap up with that one too. So this is this is section B, paper 2. As you can see, the essay. This is question 1. Please look at the question very well. Question 2. Let's go to question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. So that is that, and that is what we have for black mock mathematics. I'm going to give the other subject to, so stay tuned. Don't forget that I'll leave the answers in the description below so you can make reference to that. And as we always encourage you to do for us, please subscribe to the channel and tell a friend and like. If you don't understand anything too, you can put it in the description as a question and in the comment section, then we will help you out. Okay, thank you.